What's up? Welcome back. This is Teresa Von Regan's channel. I'm Teresa Von Regan, and this channel is about all things beauty, health, and wealth. And we're gonna talk about a new trend called glassy skin. This is a newer trend that started around 2019, I think, and it really was popularized in 2019, but it's starting to pick up popularity again in 2020. I love this trend. It makes me not even want to bake anymore. And I was like the baking queen. I do still love to bake, I have to say that, but it's just such a beautiful, supple, hydrated look. Who's it for? It's for everybody. Even the oily friends can do this trend. Now, a few things to note. If you're oily, because you're making the skin look more supple, smooth, hydrated, there's a difference between hydrated and oily. So you wanna look hydrated but not greasy. This video today is gonna be part of my beginner makeup series. So it's gonna be glassy skin for beginners, and even if you're not a beginner but you want a simple routine for glassy skin, this is where you wanna stick and watch. I'm gonna create this video in a few easy steps for you with clear instructions on how to recreate this glassy skin with what products that you need. Before we get started, I want you to smash that subscribe button so you can become part of the fam. I also want to hear your comments below about what your favorite tip was during this glassy skin makeup look. Step 1 of this beautiful glassy skin look is cleansing and exfoliation. First, we're going to use our Clinique Fresh Press Cleanser. It's a vitamin C powder cleanser. So when you open up the packet, you're going to dump the powder into your hands and you're going to put it all over your face with water. And we're going to use our Sonic brush with our charcoal brush head. And this is going to give the skin a more awakened, youthful look. You're going to notice how the Sonic brush and the Fresh Press Cleanser combined, that vitamin C, makes the skin feel so alive. As the second part of our cleanse exfoliation, we're going to use our clarifying lotion and then our even better, brighter essence lotion for exfoliation. You're going to take 100% cotton ball with the clarifying lotion and you're going to sweep it across your face. And what that does is it removes dead skin, dirt, oil, and brings more youthful skin to the surface. You're going to pour some of this even better brightening lotion into the palm of your hand, a very generous amount to give that glassy skin look. And this is going to give a more supple, bright, hydrated appearance to the skin. This is one of my favorite products. Second step is moisturization. And I love to double moisturize, but don't forget your eye cream moisturizer too. So my moisturization step is these two Clinique moisturizers and this Clinique eye cream. I start with my Clinique ID in the Tone Up Gel that has a rose tint with the Compromise cartridge. The Tone Up Gel gives this bright, radiant look with this hint of pink. Sometimes I think my skin is a little too yellow, so I love adding this hint of pink. And my skin sometimes feels compromised from sun damage and other environmental ailments, so I love the Compromise cartridge. The dramatically different moisturizing gel helps to balance out the moisture in the skin, and then the moisturizer that I use after works better. So then I use the Clinique Smart Clinical Moisturizer. And what I love about this moisturizer is it has two different moisturizers in one. I get my purple side, which gives me that plumping, but I also get my white side of the moisturizer, which gives my lifting and firming for that jaw area. So you're using the plumping in your forehead lines, wherever you want to plump those lines and have those lines disappear. And then you're using the white side wherever you want lifting, like that jawline, then throat area to lift and firm. And then who can forget the eye area, which is the thinnest layer of skin, so you need a more rich cream around that area. And I love the Repair Wear Anti-Gravity because I have some of those lining concerns and I want to keep the eye lifted. So that's step 2. Step 3 is foundation and concealer. So I'm going to use 2 foundations and 1 concealer. I'm picking 2 foundations because you want to use a more natural finish or a moisturizing finish. What I'm going to do is use the Even Better Refresh Clinique makeup all over, almost all over. But where I have those dark spots, I'm going to mix these 2 together just so I get some of the hydration from this makeup but the full coverage from the Beyond Perfecting Clinique makeup on my dark spots. Lastly, I'm going to highlight in the high points of my face where I like to sculpt and where I like to bring forward, because where you want to bring forward, you highlight. So I'm gonna highlight under my eyes. I'll go down more of a V, but I like to do a softer, like more like almost a U. Like instead of the point, I like to do a U for those clients or those ladies who are aging out there. Then I love to put it in my jaw too, because I'm starting to see some of the loss of elasticity in the jaw. So I put the light right along my jawline. I love to highlight my nose area, my chin with my concealer, and my brows. So how I like to apply the concealer, and this is the Born This Way Too Faced concealer, is I like to use a concealer brush and stipple it and pat, and then I also use a beauty blender to warm it into the skin. Once your foundation and concealer is complete, now it's time for highlight and contour. Step 4. I like to use the MAC Hyper Real Glow Compact with the 2 Clinique Chubby Sticks and the highlight and contour stick. I like to stack my highlight for this glassy skin look just to make the skin glowing, bright, and vibrant. A tip with highlight and contour is you want to put the contour where you want to recede and the highlight where you want to highlight the high points of the skin that you want to bring out. So contour for me would go in my jawline to, accentuate the jawline and to help to lift it, in the cheek area to give the more high cheekbone appearance, and the nose area, on the sides of the nose and the bottom of the nose to give a more slim nose, more pouty nose. And then highlight goes on your cheekbones, your nose, your brow bone. You can do it along the fleshy part of the jawline to bring it out, and the contours going underneath. Step 5 is a cream blush and a finishing spray. I love the Clinique cream blushes. This is a Chubby Stick cream blush in Robust Rhubarb. And then I love the Moisture Surge face spray that Clinique makes. So we're gonna put the creamy blush in the apple of the cheek, right when you smile, and then blend it back. And for me, I'm gonna blend it a little bit in an angle, but not too much of an angle because I have a longer face, so I wanna make my face look rounder. And then we're gonna finish with the Clinique spray to get that really hydrated finished look. And there you go, my final glassy skin look. Thanks for tuning in, fam, to my beginner glassy skin. That's quick, easy, and simple, and I have complete faith that you can recreate this at home. Don't forget that this channel is about all things beauty, health, and wealth. Check out my other beauty videos, my videos on the stimulus package, and also my videos on cooking. Don't forget to smash that subscribe and comment below with what other makeup videos you want to see. Bye for now, fam.